What's up everyone, it's Duncan from Overland Journals. We are at Lincoln Bay National Park and this video is a bit of a rant, you could say, because I'm very unhappy about something and it's something that I've come across all too often. Right now we are in this picnic site. It's not a campsite, and look at that view. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, we've been here for a couple of hours. We had lunch here and now we're going to carry on. Now what I am unhappy about, and I'm about to show you, is what not everyone but a small percentage of overlanders do, and this is why we get track closures, park closures, spoiling things for everybody else. Take a look at this and judge for yourself. And somebody even left their garbage behind. Now my question is it that difficult? If you can come out all the way here, why in the world can't you take your rubbish with you? And do you have to make a mess? Okay, I understand sometimes you want to go to the toilet, fine, I understand it, but do it properly. There's so many easy ways to do it and without having to destroy the entire environment. And why I'm getting so passionately upset about this is because I'm beginning to see this more and more often wherever I go. And it's not fair on the larger community, because I do believe vast majority of us overlanders are responsible people and we take a lot of care into the environment we travel on, so that future generations can come out here, other people can come out here and enjoy it just as much as we did. So why do this? So now Johnny and I'm going to have to clean up that somebody else's mess. We're going to clean it up and take it back with us. The point is, we shouldn't have to do that. So if you're out there and if you see someone doing the wrong thing, don't be afraid to go up to them and speak to them. They may get very upset, but that's their problem. So I'm just venting right here because it just really goes up just pushes my blood pressure up, and I'm really not happy. And this is not a problem unique to Australia. It happens in many parts of the world. I have been fortunate enough to travel in other countries as well, and I have seen it back there as well. So if you are not in Australia and you're watching it overseas, same thing, don't let it happen in your country. We are very blessed and fortunate to be able to travel and see this kind of country, so why spoil it? Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below, and just spread the word. Spread the word, educate people. Thanks for watching.